and welcome to another unboxing video. This one is full of books. They packed it good for us this week. Let's see what we've got. Talking Book by Anne Tyler. We got some DVDs in. Let's see. Portrait of a Lady on Fire. Bad Education. Mr. Jones. Tony. Another talking book over here. David Baldacci. Copycat Killer. Oh, we got another Big Shark, Little Shark. Easy Reader. The Latest Runways. Graphic novel by Rainbow Rowell. All about construction workers. We got some Sesame Street fun stuff. What's this one? All about firefighters. Elmo's gonna do that one. All about police officers. That's pretty cute. Parasite. It's based on the movie. It's their storyboards. I think that should be interesting. Displacement. I think that is also a graphic novel, yes. Star Wars, A Jedi You Will Be, for all the Star Wars fans out there. We got a large print of James Patterson, First Chase. Where Were the Seven Wonders of the World? Sandra Brown's got a new one, should be good. Let's see what's on top here. Katie Ford, A Springtime Affair. If you want to pretend like fall is not happening. Not Cannot. Aw, he seems frustrated. One Girl. The Midnight Library. Alien Superstar. The latest in the Castronaut series. You Should See Me in a Crown by Lee Johnson. I think that's a YA. The End of the Day. The Motherless Oven. I believe that's a graphic novel. Yep. We are trying to increase our adult graphic novel section, if you may have noticed that. Michael Connelly's latest. Oh, lots of big names in this one. The Can Opener's Daughter. So these are part of a series that we've just bought. Oh, there it is. The last of the Trials of Apollo. I know quite a few people will be excited to see that one. Pepper's Rules and the Secret Sleuthing. Oh, Kyoshi, latest YA novel for you Avatar lovers out there. Another David Baldacci. Jeff Abbott, Never Ask Me. Oh, this is a big box. Lone Jack Trail. The Fixed Stars. Oh, I see another Iris Johansson. I think we got all three of the series in the last month. It's been a weird time. Susanna Clark. Oh, Daniel Steele, for your Daniel Steele lovers, The Wedding Dress. Oh, Anne Perry's as well, One Fatal Flaw. Let's see what this guy, oh, latest Full Metal Alchemist is in, number 9. R.L. Stein, The Garbage Pail Kids. Sophia Valdez and The Vanishing Vote. Ooh, very topical. James Patterson, The Midwife Murders. Alex Rider. Escape Racers. That's a nice cover. And our last book is this latest Zozo Zombie for our junior readers. So there you go, a really big box full of great books. As always, you can ask us to put them on hold for you. Just remember, it might take us a few weeks to get them cataloged and processed. See you later.